quick update. I've been in the car previously, but now I moved into a apartment that has been more expensive than my expectations. I'm more active on TikTok now, making videos and bettering myself. So hopefully you can check those out. But for the most part, I'm, I guess, more in tune, being more productive and beneficial. So prioritize your energy, make sure everything's good for yourself. I'm good, but, at the same time working towards my goals. I'm not there yet. So I hope you all have a good day and stay tuned for the next videos. I'll try not to be lazy.